Welcome friends to the next part of this tutorial. In this part of the tutorial for the operators, we would be talking about the assignment operators. So before we start, I want to convey that by the word only assignment, we say that we are actually assigning something to something else. Like if we write x equals 5, then we are actually assigning the value 5 to the x in mathematics. So let's start. The syntax given for the assignment operator is like name of the variable is always on the left side, while the expression is always on the right side of the equal sign. And equal sign is known as the assignment operator. Let us consider out an example. Here we have int a equals 5. Here equal sign is the assignment operator, while 5 is the expression and a is the variable name. We should make it clear that value that is to be initialized to the variable, that is the variable, it is always on the left side. Let us consider another example in which float b is equal to some values. We can see that the value is on the right side while the variable is on the left side. If we write 5 is equals to int a, then this is a complete mistake and a complete blunder. We cannot write the expression on the left side. That's so this one is wrong and our first assumption is right. Now we would be talking about the types of the assignment operator. The first one is the multiple assignment, while the second one is the compound assignment. So let's start with the multiple assignment. By the name only we can tell that multiple means many, while we all know the meaning of the assignment, that is assigning the values. What basically the assignment operator does, multiple assignment does is it assigns a single value to many variables at one time, at simultaneously in one statement. Like it is given on the screen that x equals y equals z equals 5. Hence the value of x is 5, the value of y is also 5, and the value of z is also 5. In the next line it is given that p is equals to q is equal to r is equal to s is equals 29. It states that p, q or s, all the variables have the same value 29. It is the only multiple assignment. We should make a note that if we are trying to assign single value to more than 4 variables at a time, it is going to show up us with an error while the time of compilation. Now let's talk about the compound assignment. While talking about it, let us consider an example in which if we write x equals x plus 10, this statement can be rewritten as x plus equals to 10. Here the second statement is the example of compound assignment. The meaning of both these statements are same and would add the value 10 to x. If we consider another example in which x equals x into 10, or the statement can be rewritten as x into equals 10. Both statements are logically correct and both have the same meaning, but both states that into the value of x10 is multiplied. So this one is the only the compound assignment. If you just liked our video, then hit on thumbs up and do subscribe and do share our videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.